wildlife under a lot of stress.
Shelley Walcott is live with that part of our coverage. Shelley.
Well, Jake and Carol, there have been reports of birds and fish dying across southeast Wisconsin in this heat wave, and it's something they're keeping a close eye on here at the Urban Ecology Center. Call it the circle of life under bullseye. The dry, hot weather is taking its toll on Wisconsin wildlife.
Sure, it's a big problem right now.
Department of Natural Resource crews have discovered at least 40 dead birds within the Horicon Marsh and tens of thousands of dead fish. The cause of death? Botulism. It has wildlife officials across southeast Wisconsin on alert.
Botulism breaks out in conditions where water levels are low and the water is heated to a temperature that it's not normally heated to.
This creates a breeding ground for bacteria.
Fish are having issues. Even the bugs that fish would eat and birds would eat and small mammals would eat, they're all struggling right now.
Dry plants and trees are also feeding the problem.
What happens is the plants die because of the drought. They fall into the river and start to decompose. That creates an anaerobic environment. So there's low oxygen levels, and then anything that depends on that stuff ends up suffering as a consequence.
And wildlife experts say it will take more than a day of rain to fix this problem, but there is something homeowners can do to help.
Actually, one of the best things homeowners could probably do would be to get a bird bath and fill it. Fill it with fresh water, make sure the water's fresh every day.
And again, it rained today, but all that rain that we received isn't expected to put an end to the wildlife problem anytime soon. We need a lot more moisture to do that. On your side, live in Milwaukee, I'm Shelley Walcott, today's TMJ4.
Yeah, nice start, but not going to get the job entirely done.